of training. It's been a while since I checked in here. And my check-in today is going to be about 23,250 XC. It now has 55 hours on it. So take this as a 50-hour review while I do a little training. Just some thoughts. So we'll start off reliability. One fouled plug in the very beginning. That's it. This bike has been flawless since. No hard starts. No other issues. That was my shoulder. I've been absolutely loving this thing. If you've been following my videos, you know I had a thought of maybe racing 4-stroke. Not gonna do that this season. And my season's pretty much done. There's one more race. I'm out of contention for everything, but back to the bike. It's held up great. It's done probably half of those, maybe a quarter of those hours in a race environment. No hiccups. Only one complaint for racing. Maybe just figure out a little quicker starting technique. I'm still on the original map that it came with. I never made it to my dealer to get it reflashed. I tried running 50-to-1 actually, and it seemed a little sputtery, to be honest. Nothing major, but I just went back to 60-to-1, crisp right up. Trying to think what else. I'm all stock except for the handguards. And this is my first ride with a new tire. The other tire was fine. I only changed the rear because racing, just for getting good starts. Showing a decent amount of wear at 55 hours. Same KTM issues of the Brembos. You got to work on them a little bit if the bike's been sitting. They become squishy. Nothing new there. Whoa, almost missed that. 55 hours with this front air fork. I will say it gets harsh at the end of a long race or ride. It doesn't stay, well, I'm not going to call it supple, but it doesn't stay as soft as when you start riding. That kind of is annoying. Because when are you the most tired? At the end of a long ride or race. And this thing beats you up a little bit. Oh. I got the Dunlop. I'll put it in a video. I'm forgetting what it is, but it's that new sand tire. Basically almost looks like a paddle. And holy moly. It's my environment's really sandy down here in Florida. And I'll tell you, this thing hooks up awesome. I'm ripping wheelies out of turns that I would normally spin. Granted, it's brand new, but I'm impressed so far. People who are new, I race hair scrambles. First year, senior class, C class. This is my first year ever trying it. Best result so far is a second. 2 seconds. Oh boy, almost Superman the shit out of that one. But this bike's power continues to impress. I've been running, started off running the green map mostly, but now I'm a big fan of the white map because it just wears me out a little less. Seems a little crisper. The aggressive map is definitely richer. But man, you got a big open course. Actually, either. I mean, it's great down. It gives you more power off the bottom and up top, the green map. So both areas straight. Oh, coming in hot. Oh no, I stalled. 2 stalls for 2-stroke. Me. Stalled it, I think 3 times last race. Got a new clutch lever. Got the flow unbreakable levers. Maybe I'll just blame it on that. No, I'm just kidding. It's all me. Oh boy. Loose stuff, loose. Got 2 guys that I raced with behind me. So trying to keep the pace up. So I apologize for the little breaks where I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. What else can I tell you about this thing? Still original brake pads, fluids. It's kind of a little bit of a, I guess, a torture test. The fluid's looking a little dark at 55 hours. I'm gonna change it soon. But I just wanted to do the review before I changed anything on the bike. Meaning, you know, fluids, the brake pads, the tire, yeah. But that's just, you know, it's a tire. For me, the biggest wear item on this thing has been the grips. I'm on 3rd set of grips. Sticking with the ODIs. I just really like them. Well, let's give it this one. Pretty sure my idle needs to be adjusted. Woo! So that's really it. If I think of something else, I can let you guys know, but there's really not much to report at 55 hours. It's just been good. Great, in fact. I am considering, though, just to try it out. I'm not going to sell this bike. I may sell the 250F YZ and go with the KTM 350 XC for race season next year. So we'll see about that. But who knows, I may just race the 250 and see how that goes. Oh! But anyway, guys, I'm gonna shut up and ride. So I'm getting out of breath. And I gotta do a little endurance training here. Feel free to stick around and watch and listen to the 2-stroke rip. Yeehaw! Oh, I missed a little shortcut. I should say there's nothing wrong with the stock levers. They're perfectly fine. Never bend them or anything. I changed them because my ring finger kept getting blasted by the clutch lever. So this one allowed me to just adjust it where fully engaged. I'm not hitting my finger. And boy, it's getting hot. Summer's coming early. I think it's gonna be 89. Humidity's coming back. I already did one lap, so I'm drenched. New little shortcut here. Another shortcut. I didn't make that one. Man, I gotta get conditioned to this heat again. For watching, if you're wondering, 2nd to 4th is what I'm running through. It's the biggest thing I noticed between this and my motocross bike. Gears are so much closer on the motocross bike, and I'm shifting a hell of a lot more. Gearing's great, like spacing wise, but just a lot more work shifting all those extra times. This stuff is tight. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but so I'm slowing down. A lot of these barely fit my bars through. No excuse, just lack of skill. Whew. Shit, forgot that little cheater line existed. Here I'll go down to 1st. That's it, right back to 2nd already. I haven't been out here in a little bit. Someone is coming out here making some fast lines. Oh, hey. And 3rd, lugging it a little bit, but got so much torque to pull you out even in the white map. I'll go down to 2nd for this guy. Usually you can crank through here, but we're doing some work on the road. Some big divots. That was a surprise, first lap through. Look up again. So let her eat right here. Oh man, this horse is getting a little whooped out. Whew, breathing hard, man. Not even the pace, it's freaking the heat. I don't see my normal freaking reference points. They added dirt all over that road. It's great because it used to be mossy as hell. It's slick. Ooh, hit a root. Don't normally hit that root. Just entered the spot where I did my timing between this and my YZ250F. Plugging it a little more. I would like. If you haven't noticed, I like to flow when I ride.